subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Samsung has finally launched its new affordable 5G phone under A series called Galaxy A14. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Galaxy A14 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 and Exynos 1330 chipset in some other region. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy A14 5G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 13MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with One UI Core 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.7 by 78 by 9.1mm and it weighs around 204 grams. Now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Galaxy A14 5G has been priced in the US at $200 for the base variant, and it is set to go on sale starting from January 12th in black, silver, maroon and light green color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A14 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.